Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-tackling a serious topic that every car owner and technician needs to understand. The airbag system, and specifically, fault code B2290. This code isn't just another warning light. It's a critical safety alert that means your car's airbag system has a major issue. So, what exactly is B2290? In simple terms, it means crash data stored or datere as a fault within the airbag control module itself. This little black box, often called the SRS ECU, or Supplemental Restraint System Electronic Control Unit, is the brain of your entire airbag system. Its job is to detect a collision and, in a fraction of a second, decide which airbags and seatbelt pretensioners to deploy. When a car is involved in an accident significant enough to trigger the airbags, the control module records what's known as crash data. This is a permanent record of the event, detailing things like impact speed and which components were activated. Once this data is written, the module essentially locks itself for safety reasons. The B2290 code pops up, and the airbag warning light on your dashboard will stay on, indicating that the entire system is now disabled. That's right, none of your airbags will deploy in a future accident until this issue is resolved. This is a safety feature designed to ensure the system is thoroughly inspected and properly repaired after a crash, preventing any potential malfunctions. So, where do you find this crucial component? The location of the airbag control module can vary between car makes and models, but it's always mounted securely to the vehicle's chassis in a central, protected location. The most common spots are in the center console area, usually under the shifter or storage compartments, deep under the dashboard, or sometimes even beneath one of the front seats. It's placed centrally to accurately sense impacts from any direction. You'll typically need to remove some interior trim panels to access it. So, having a good set of trim removal tools will save you from scratching up your car's interior. Now, let's talk about diagnosis. When you connect a professional-grade diagnostic scanner to your car's OBDII port, you'll be able to communicate with the SRS module. The scanner will pull the B2290 code, and more advanced tools will even allow you to look at the memory status. It will clearly state that crash data is present or that the module is locked. This is a straightforward diagnosis. The code itself tells you exactly what happened. There's no guesswork here. If you see B2290, it's almost certain the vehicle has been in a collision that deployed the airbags, even if the cosmetic repairs hide the evidence. This brings us to the most important part, the fix. How do you resolve a B2290 code and get your airbag system working again? You have two primary options. The first, and the one recommended by most vehicle manufacturers, is to replace the airbag control module entirely with a brand new one. This ensures you have a fresh factory-programmed unit that has never been compromised. The second option is to have your existing module reprogrammed or cleared by a specialized service. These services use specific tools to erase the crash data, effectively resetting the module to its pre-accident state. This can be a more cost-effective solution, but it's crucial to use a reputable company that guarantees their work, as an improperly cleared module can be just as dangerous as a locked one. Let me be absolutely clear on a critical safety point. Never, ever reuse deployed airbags or seatbelt protectors. These are one-time use safety devices. Once they've been activated in a crash, they must be replaced with new parts. Trying to repack an old airbag or reset a pretensioner is incredibly dangerous and will not provide any protection in a future accident. When you're dealing with a B2290 code, the repair always involves addressing the module itself and replacing any and all deployed components throughout the vehicle. After installing the new or reprogrammed module and new parts, the system will need to be rescanned to clear the codes and confirm that the airbag warning light goes out. A final system check ensures all sensors and components are communicating correctly. Fixing a B2290 code is not just about turning off a light on your dash. It's about restoring the most important safety feature in your vehicle. It's a job that requires precision, the right parts, and a deep understanding of how the system works. If you're not 100% confident in your ability to perform this repair, please take your vehicle to a qualified professional. Your safety, and the safety of your passengers, is what matters most. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. subscribe for more content, and drive safe out there.